Hi folks, thanks for tuning in today. Today's question is why use a trust for estate planning? So today you will learn what is a trust, what are some of the benefits of trust planning, and is a trust right for me? Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I've been helping families with elder law and estate planning matters for 28 years now in my family's firm, Pecori Pecori, which was founded in 1940 by my grandfather. So let's jump in. So what is a trust? A trust is an entity that holds property for the benefit of its beneficiaries and is managed by a trustee. That's the manager of the trust. There are many different types of trusts, but for today we're primarily discussing a revocable living trust, which is the most common type of trust that you will see used in estate planning. What are the benefits of a revocable living trust? Number one, you avoid probate. So probate is the court-supervised process by which your assets are administered and distributed after your death. Probate can be very time-consuming. For instance, in Pennsylvania, this process takes at least 1 year. Probate can also be expensive. When you have a trust, if your trust is funded with all of your assets, you completely avoid probate. So without probate, obviously it's easier and less expensive for your heirs. Also, the trustee can step in right away and start the administration process. They don't have to be sworn in downtown or anything like that, like you would with probate. Also, privacy. Probate is a public record. So technically, if your nosy neighbor wants to know what's in your will, they can go downtown and pull your will and take a look at it. When you have a trust, again, no probate, nothing is filed of record, so your nosy neighbor will never know what's in your trust. Also, you avoid claimants with a trust. The probate process is subject to claims against the estate. So you have to inform claimants, you have to deal with them, and if there's money to pay them, you're going to have to pay them. With trust administration, again, it's not subject to claims. You're not obligated to inform anybody, and you're not obligated to pay any of those claims. Who are some good candidates for trust planning? Number one, if you own property in 2 states, you're currently looking at probate in 2 states. So again, expensive and time consuming. When you have a trust and you have all of the property in both states in that trust, again, it's quicker, it's less expensive, it's much easier on your heirs because you're avoiding those probate estates in both states. Also, if you have a trustee who may be out of state and is not local to you, it's easier for them to administer a trust than it is for them to administer a will if they have to come in and handle your affairs. Also, with a trust, you can control your assets when you're gone. If you have a loved one who has special needs, who has a spendthrift issue, perhaps an addiction problem, you can name a trustee, and the trustee gets to say yes or no to what they may need. And you can also specify in the trust when they get their money and how. Lastly, privacy. For some of us, this is very important. Very wealthy people usually want the privacy that a trust enables them. There are other types of trust that may benefit you as well, such as a special needs trust to protect special needs loved ones, an IRA inheritance trust to protect your IRA from your kid's divorce or bankruptcy, or an asset protection trust, which will protect your assets from the high cost of long-term care. You can read about these types of trust on my website at Pecori Elder Law, or check out some of my other videos. You can also schedule a free consult on my website to determine if trust planning is right for you. If you have questions, please drop us a comment below or please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks again for tuning in and have a great day.